Good afternoon, children. So, we are going to continue the states of matter. In the states of matter, today we are going to take liquids. So many liquids we can see in our daily life. Every day we are going to use water, milk, oil, this, that, everything. These are all liquids. Liquids also have some properties. Some of the properties I want to tell you. The liquid's no fixed shape. It's no fixed shape. And it's a fixed volume. And then incompressibility. Liquids have incompressibility and do not fill the container. It's a fluid. So these points we have to concentrate. So now first we will take that one experiment is there. According to that we will follow. See, I have water in one beaker. It's around 80 ml, 80 milliliter. 80 milliliter. The water is there. So now what I am going to do? We have different shape of containers here. Different shape of containers. This is one shape, this is one shape, this is one shape, and this is one shape. So now this is a beaker. I am going to pour this water into the tumbler. See now? It is going to take the shape of the tumbler. Now what I am going to do? I am going to pour this water into the conical flask. Conical flask. Just some of the water it was. So now conical, according to the shape of the conical flask, it's going to take. Now I am going to pour inside the bottle, glass bottle. Now this is the shape of the glass bottle. Now I am going to pour inside the measuring cylinder. Now this is going to take shape of the measuring cylinder. See now, according to this, according to the container, the water is going to take shape. So that shows water no fixed shape. That we can easily understand. Now we will come to the volume. See, first I started with 80 ml of the measurement. That is the volume of the water. Now, at the end also, that the 80 ml is there. When the shape is going to change, the volume is not going to change. This is confirmed. That we can easily understand. So, 90. You can understand. So, now one more experiment is there. It's a fluid. What is a fluid? We can observe, if I am gone pouring the water, it will flow like this. See? It will flowing like this. So, water is a fluid. And then, I am going to close this bottle, inside this bottle. I am going to press it. See, you can observe. I am going to press it. But here what will happen? It's going to compress because of inside the air is there. Some of water is there, inside the air is there. Because of that only, it's going to compress. So now, if I am going to fill the full of water, close it tightly. If I am going to press this, can't press it, can't press this. So this shows that is incompressibility. This shows incompressibility. And if you are going to take the one more concept, pour the water inside the container, it's not going to fill the container. That means this much of water, it cannot spread it. It cannot spread with the whole container. With that we can easily understand. So it do not fill the container. So these concepts we can understand. The first one is there is no fixed shape. The fixed volume is there. And then what is a fluid? The incompressibility and do not fill the container. These points we can easily understand. These are all the properties of liquids. Thank you, children.